Hi everyone, today I have a quick tip on cutting out images if you don't have a die cut. First you want to start by cutting off the excess paper around your image. Then you want to hold the paper with your free hand as you guide your scissors around the image. As you cut, you want to try and use the full extent of your blade. It makes for a cleaner cut. So as you can see, I'm only moving the paper, I'm not moving the hand that has the scissors. If you have tight spots, you can go ahead and just go around those and you can come back and cut those. And then every so often, just go ahead and cut that extra bit that you've cut off. Cut that away. That stops your scissors from grabbing it when you're cutting, and it makes the paper lighter and easier to turn. So as I finish up this piece, I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the two spots that I just bypassed because they're very tight inside the image. And some of these I will use my knife instead just to cut that little piece out if you don't think you can cut it with your scissors. And then I'm going to go back and get this little piece by his face. And then just double check to make sure everything is cut and looks good. And that's it. That is our completed image. Thanks for watching. Happy snipping. Bye-bye.